Ah. Hey, bear with me here. Guys, it's 12:10. I just smashed a hog. I hope that I got that on film. Oh jeez. It's 12:10. I've had this doe. I had this doe below me for about for about 30 minutes. And I was gonna bear with me here. I was gonna take her and just let her scent just go all over the place. Get a good doe kill on film. This guy, I've never seen this deer. It's mass. It's 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Nose to the ground. I shot him. I shot him at 10 yards. Complete pass through. Rage in the cage.